been kind of on the fly, so we've been receiving information as it comes, day by day, minute by minute, hour by hour, but we all seem to kind of manage it quite well.
Just a few minutes ago, I was able to help a young woman who's trying to get to Fisherman's Wharf. We're here on Market Street, by the way, near Sutter and Sansom. And it's a young woman who lives here but is new to town, so reroutes or not, she wasn't sure how to get to Fisherman's Wharf, and I was able to help her. She was very appreciative.
We're working very hard in the subway to make this all come together very positive for the MTA. We have had some challenges, but we're working through them, and we're all shining to do our best and be our best on this global level we're on.
It's generally my joy. I am a people person all around. My passion is to help people, and when I was able to get someone to their destination, it gave me a little sense of joy, helped me get through the day.
As you can see right here, I'm bilingual. I speak Cantonese, so I'm out here at Powell Street Station helping assist people get to Chinatown.
It feels really cool to be out here. I was able to help someone who only spoke Chinese get to where they want to go, and I think it's really important to make sure that people's lives are able to go on even as we have this big event going on.
We're helping a lot of people navigating the T-line going to Chase Center. A lot of the events that was headed to the Warriors game and also the concerts, we're able to reroute them back to the old routes.
I work in livable streets for Slow Streets, and I would say this is pretty different from my regular work day. Usually I'm behind the computer, but it was cool to do some community-facing work and help people out with directions.
The operators can get stuck anywhere. We have to come up with quick reroutes. Sometimes we're not able to come up in time and they're just stuck in the middle of everything, with some people trying to climb on the coaches and things of that nature.
We just coordinate our efforts with teams on the street and the PIOs and CIOs to make sure that the public is aware.
We've had over 300 ambassadors from SFMTA staff, other city departments, members of the general public, everyone who wants to be a part of this really special event and make sure that the 500,000 people who are riding Muni every single day can still get to where they need to be, in addition to everyone who's visiting town for the first time.